Today I'm cooking with the Ninja Foodi, and we're making breakfast. We'll be making, not sure what they're called. Something like hash browns, for chunks, omelets, and brown and served turkey sausage. Excuse me for being in the living room, but the kitchen is being used at the moment. So we're going to begin with this Ninja. All you have to do is turn on the power. It's going to get loud for a second. You turn the power, whatever temperature you need, the time you need to cook it. Air fry, reheat, roast, or dehydrate. Usually I use air fry for everything, so the circulation can get underneath it. This is what the inside of mine looks like. A little frying thing. I really shouldn't have touched that because I had it on for about 2 minutes. And then you can pull this thing out, and it'll just be the base, and you can make everything else in there. I'm still learning how to use this. I've only had it for about 2 months, and I actually use it quite often, and it's easy to clean. Last night we made barbecue pork burgers, and they were so delicious. But anyway, I'm going to start this up and get it going, and then I'll pause so it won't be so loud. But I've already begun to, cut up my potatoes and put a little seasoning in there. There we go. Onion powder, seasoning powder, and pepper. These will be the sausages we use. They won't take long. They're frozen solid, but they still like maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes, maybe 6. I doubt that. And we'll mix up the eggs as we go. We're beginning. It needs to heat up for 3 minutes. See, it's a bit loud, but it needs to warm up for 3 minutes, and then you'll pause it. You open it up, it will be hot. The outside gets quite hot. You don't want anything covering this spot up here, this thing, because that's where the heat comes out. Anyway, once this warms up, I'll be back. Okay, I've got my potatoes in. I just want to show you real quick. You put them in, try to make them even, and about every 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, check it, because this thing will cook way faster than what you realize. But just check it, and you'll, like, you know how they take a pan, they flip it a little bit, so everything comes back. Yeah. You want to do that, so you stir it up. There we go. Okay, we're 10 minutes in. And this is what our potatoes are looking like. I should probably cut the light on. But anyway, getting a little bit crispy. So now it's time to start and put it back in. And I'll probably go all the way to the 8 minutes and 48 seconds and probably push it further. These little red potatoes, I'm not sure how long it'll take. And we're back. We're at the 3 minute and 22 seconds. And this is how it's looking. Getting nice and crispy. Yum yum. We'll be back in a few minutes.